Hi children, welcome back to the lesson The Moon. Today we are going to discuss about the question and answers of the lesson. Okay, here it is the multiple choice question, and the first one is, which of these is not present in the moon? Gravity, craters, air, sunlight. So there is a little gravity is there, sunlight is there, and as well as crater also there, and air is absent. Air is the answer. The lunar eclipse occurs only on lunar eclipse. लूनार एक्लिप्स मीन्स यहाँ मून देखने को नहीं मिलना, राइट. And even in full moon day also it disappears, right? So lunar eclipse, it occurs only on a full moon day, new moon day, either new moon or full moon, or half moon day, when it appears on full moon day, right? And next, the moon becomes boiling hot when it gets the sunlight, because uh, on the moon there is no sunlight, there is no air. When there is no air, then there is no atmosphere. When there is no atmosphere, the sun rays will trapped by the surface of the moon, and it becomes boiling hot. So the answer is D. There is no air on the moon. During the solar eclipse, the moon blocks the sunlight falling on the earth. The earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon. The sun stops shining for some time. It is wrong. Both moon and earth block sunlight. No. Here the answer is, during the solar eclipse we should not see the sun. So the moon blocks the sunlight falling on the earth. Option A is the correct answer. Which of one is natural satellite? Sun, moon, GSAT 12, Sputnik. Sun is not a satellite, not a planet, right? So moon is the answer. Natural it is. For which of these an artificial satellite is used? Telephone communication, weather broadcasting, or forecasting, study of earth surface. All of this is used in satellites, right? And next, come to right or wrong questions. Most craters on the moon been made by the large rock falling on the surface of the moon. Yes, it is true. Man has all things necessary for the living. Moon has all things necessary for life to survive. No, it don't have air, it don't have atmosphere, right? Yuri Gagarin was the first human to land on the moon. Wrong. Who is that? Neil Armstrong landed on the moon first. Yuri Gagarin, he went into the space. No astronaut have gone to the moon after 1972. Yes, it's true. After that, no one go into the space. No one went there actually. Gravity on the moon is moon is 6 times that on the earth. Wrong. What it should be? The gravity on the moon is 1/6 of the earth gravity. Okay, so here he given 6 times, not 6 times, 1/6 times, right? And the shadow is an area where there is no light, right? When the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, the solar eclipse occur. When the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, then we are unable to see the moon. So it is moon, lunar eclipse, not solar eclipse. ओके, जो कुछ भी अपन को देखने को नहीं मिलता है इसे वो एक्लिप्स कहना. यहाँ क्या कहे गए? When shadow of the earth covers the moon, when moon is not appearing, then it is lunar, not solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse always occur on new moon night. So lunar eclipse मतलब आप मून को नहीं देख पाते. So right, it is new moon night. Television signals are sent around the world using artificial satellite. Right, it is correct, by the communication satellites. Okay, now name these. Large bowl shape on the moon, that is crater. Different shapes of the moon, that is called moon phases. Night when moon is not visible, it is new moon day. It is new moon night. The first human landed on the moon, not Yuri Gagarin, here they written wrong, that is Neil Armstrong. Next, the spacecraft that took first human to the moon, right? That is Apollo 11. Apollo 11 spacecraft. Shadow of the moon falling on the earth. Shadow of the moon falling on the earth. So moon shadow is falling on earth so that we are unable to see the sun. It is solar eclipse. Shadow of the earth falling on the moon. So moon we are unable to see that too partially. So it is partial lunar eclipse. Partial lunar eclipse. Satellites used to send the telephone signals around the world. They are called communicable satellites. Satellites launched by India on 15th July 2011, that is GSAT 12. Now question and answers. Describe the surface of the moon. Already we discussed in the class. Why we always see only one face of the moon? Why? Because the moon is rotating and revoluting himself. So when he move the same speed, with the same speed along with the earth movement, we are unable to see the second side of the moon. Only one face we could able to see. It depends upon the speed of the moon and earth rotations, right? Why does the moon as seen from the earth appear to change the shape every day? Because the moon is rotating around the earth and it faces only one side, so that it appears waning or means it is disappearing or appearing like that. And next, discuss how the low gravity on the moon has been major reason for the not life developing on the moon. When there is low gravity, it unable to catches the air, it unable to pull the atmosphere towards it. When there is no atmosphere, then there is no air. When there is no air, there is not possible of life. Why? Because we breathe air. Without breathing we are unable to survive. If you if you are to shout on the moon, nobody would be able to hear you. Why? Because sound travel when air is present. When there is no atmosphere, no air. When there is no air, there is no traveling of sound waves. जब साउंड वेव्स नहीं ट्रैवल होता है, आप जितना भी पुकारो किसी को सुनाई नहीं देगा, राइट? In your notebook, draw the diagram of total lunar eclipse. Okay, and mention two ways in which artificial satellites are useful. For example, weather satellites, they give forecast about the weather, means before it indicates the cyclone, storm, etc., tsunamis. Okay, and as well as communicable satellites, they give communication, telephone signals. And edusat, remote sensing satellites, they are very useful in learning, right? Here they given about communicable satellites. Communicable satellites, they work upon electromagnetic waves. So these electromagnetic waves, they sent through the empty space also. Even from the space also they can travel. Normal sound waves unable to travel, but electromagnetic waves can be travel. And whatever the information that is given by the artificial satellite, it is received by the antenna of the TV station or radio station, and then they could inform us about the communication, about the weather report, or telephone or TV communication will be added like this. Okay, so with this we completed question and answers of the lesson The Moon.